Our new test and training center here in the Charlotte office is more than just machines. As we know, we need them to continue to improve our technology. This test center and training center is a hub for collaboration. Our sales teams, from sales to service to operations, it allows us to collaborate and provide an end-to-end solution for our customers while we continuously improve our technology.
So customers in the Americas can really benefit from this test center here. They can avoid the traveling, and they can also learn directly from the experts. This gives them greater flexibility and access to a complete solution for recovering and upgrading material, while also enabling them to learn exactly how the technology works and how to run more efficient processes.
Our customers rely on high machine performance. We're really excited about this training hub because this is an area where customers, our field service engineers, or sales teams, everyone can come together and collaborate on new applications, opportunities to improve what we're already sorting, opportunities to work together and upskill their operational teams right here local to their business.